and you're like, woohoo, magenta. Hey everyone, we're going to be talking blush. Blush is very important. It helps you not look dead, as one of my students once put it. It does. It helps you look healthy and alive and youthful. As we get older, we tend to fade out and we'll lose some of our pigment in our cheeks. And we won't be as ruddy. Our lips will pale out a little bit. As you can tell, mine are pretty pale. We lose some of our eyebrow color. Our hair goes gray. So we just kind of fade. And adding a little bit of life and health to your makeup look, it's going to give a young, more youthful expression. It helps finish out the face. When you're doing someone's makeup, you are applying foundation to the whole thing and creating a nice, even, smooth palette. But while you do that with your foundation, you lose a lot of their natural pigmentation, their natural coloring, and you'll have like a flat finished product. So that's why we go in with contour to create some depth and dimension, a little bronzer to add some sun-kissed look, and then you come back and you strategically place blush. I personally tend to be a very ruddy person. So my nose, my forehead, my cheeks, my chin will be very, very, very pink. So I color correct that so I can control where I'm putting my color. And then I choose where to put the blush because naturally it is everywhere. And I want to control that. Instead of being magenta all over, I'll just be magenta where I want it to be. So in my Pro Kit, I use a Femme palette. It has every color. I've had it for years. It's crazy pigmented. I mean, crazy pigmented. So it's a little scary sometimes. So I love it though for my Pro Kit because it has every color I would ever need for light skin, dark skin. It doesn't matter. I'm able to do everyone. When I am choosing a blush for someone, what I'm looking for is first I'm finding out their comfort level with blush. Some people like a very nude, so you're almost not going to have any blush whatsoever. Like this would be fine for a nude. If you're trying to do a natural blush, you would bring in something soft just to enhance them. Some people like a stronger blush, some people like a really bold blush, and some people can go full 80s and you're like, woohoo, magenta. For me, I just like more of a healthy color because I'm naturally very ruddy. So if I have no color, it doesn't feel like me. I feel very pale and kind of sickly. So I like to bring in a natural color. I also choose my blush based on someone's undertone. If someone is very yellow, I'm going to choose more of a peachy toned blush. If they're very blue toned, cool toned, then I'll use something a little more strawberry pinky on them. And same, it doesn't matter how light or how dark, it's all based on that undertone of what kind of blushes you choose. So for myself, I like to use more of a strawberry pinky, but a soft one because I'm not trying to get too reddy, but that will fit my natural color. Blush should not follow your contour line. Like you see a lot of people putting their blush right here. That will kind of pull your face down and kind of aid you a little bit. Also, avoid bringing blush too far into here because that's going to give you chipmunk cheeks. We don't want that. And you don't want to bring it down here because that'll kind of droop and drag your face. So you'll see a lot of people doing this and doing blush right here. That's fine if you're under 35. Anytime we start getting a little older, your muscles in here kind of drop and you do this and your blush is going to be down here, and that's not a good look for anyone. So I tend to recommend you find the bone right here, and that's where you put your point of blush and you blend back this way. So don't come up in here, just kind of blend that way. So that is what I do. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of a blush and I'm going to put it right here and blend it back. And my favorite blush is the MAC 109S. It is, I love it. I've had the original 109 for 12 years and it's still in amazing shape. And then the 109S is just a little bit smaller, shorter wise, but it's got that nice flat lid, or nice flat top, and I personally find that just moves your blush a lot easier and nicer. So put that, and then I like to throw a little bit blush in my T-zone because I naturally have a lot of blush and I want to strategically place it. I am one of those people though with light foundation that as you blend, I flush. So blush here and fade there. So that should give a nice, healthy glow.